You are buying a sense of security, but you might actually be buying a monthly tax that never ends. Most people spend hundreds on fancy cameras only to get hit with a subscription wall just to see who is at their front door. If you are tired of paying $5 a month per camera just to watch your own footage, you are in the right place. Today, we are stopping the drain on your wallet while keeping your home locked down. Welcome back to Smart Life. Today, we are looking at the best cheap ways to upgrade your home security, specifically comparing the giants Ring versus Eufy. While I spend a lot of time on the technical side over at Tech Vibes, here at Smart Life, we care about the cost of ownership. Let's see which system actually saves you more in the long run. First, let's look at the hidden tax. Ring is the king of convenience, but their business model relies on the Ring Protect plan. Without it, your expensive camera is basically just a live monitor. You can't save videos or review what happened while you were at work. Eufy, on the other hand, wins the budget battle because they prioritize local storage. Most Eufy cameras come with built-in memory or a home base. This means you own your footage for $0 a month. Over 3 years, Eufy can save you over $180 in subscription fees alone. Next, consider the entry sensor hack. You don't need a $100 camera in every room. For less than $20, you can buy a pack of simple magnetic window and door sensors. These give you an instant notification on your phone if a door opens. If you're a renter, these are a lifesaver because they use simple adhesive. No drilling, no permanent damage, and instant peace of mind for the price of a pizza. Third, look at your lighting. Most burglars hate the spotlight. Instead of expensive smart floodlights, buy a few dusk to dawn LED bulbs for your existing porch lights. They cost about $5 each and have a built-in sensor that turns them on automatically when it gets dark. It makes your house look occupied even when you are on vacation, and it uses almost zero electricity. Fourth, check your privacy budget. Ring is owned by Amazon, which is great for Alexa integration, but has had privacy concerns regarding law enforcement access. Eufy keeps your data on your local device, which is a massive win for privacy-conscious users. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it system with no monthly bill, Eufy is the clear winner for 2026. Before we go, here is a bonus tip for your front door. Swap out the screws in your door strike plate. Most builders use tiny half-inch screws that a single kit can break. Buy 3-inch wood screws for $2 at the hardware store. Driving those deep into the wall studs makes your door nearly impossible to kick in. It is the cheapest physical security upgrade you can make. Securing your home shouldn't break the bank. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to live better for less. Which one are you choosing, Ring or Eufy? Let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one.